Good morning, students. Happy New Year. Welcome to the Art Corner, where today I am going to teach you how to prepare a base for plywood bottle, plastic bottle. This is a plastic bottle, okay? And how to create the base on this, because we can't create directly color on these. Like this, you will get the texture, and after that we can use it for our painting. Okay, whatever the wooden piece you will find from the carpenter shop or any waste wooden piece, this is a wooden piece. Okay, we will cover it and create a base. For this we require a tissue papers like this. White color tissue papers you can take 2 pieces of tissue papers. Okay, like this, tear it up in small pieces. Okay, and after tearing these pieces, you can make it more tiny also. We will create a base. We will put the water and Fevicol in it. And what we are going to do, we are going to apply the Fevicol like this. We are going to apply the Fevicol and place the tissue paper. Apply the Fevicol. Give the coat to create a base, so that after it will dry, we can apply our acrylic color on the top of it. This is the technique of creating a base, because when we apply directly color on ply, we can't do it. Okay, ply will absorb all the colors. So cut the tissue papers unevenly with the help of the rough brush. Apply the Fevicol plus water mixture and place the tissue paper to create the base like this. And after completing it, we will paint it. When it get dry up, we will paint it, and we are going to make some craft activity on it. We can use it as a photo frame. We can use it as a stand. We can make it a complete painting on this. And this can be our small pieces of plywood. If the carpenter is working nearby your house, the small pieces, waste pieces are left by the carpenter. We are utilizing that pieces only. बेटा हम प्लाई के वुड के छोटे छोटे पीसेस ले रही हैं. आप MDF बोर्ड भी ले सकते हो. मार्केट में MDF बोर्ड मिलता है, जितने साइज का चाहो मिल जाता है. लेकिन मैं आपको बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट में, जो घर के आसपास कारपेंटर लगे होते हैं, वो ऐसे देखो, ऐसे पीसेस कट कर वेस्ट करके चले जाते हैं, है ना. उसको कैसे यूज कर आप कुछ बना सकते हो आर्ट में, क्रिएटिव क्राफ्ट में, वो बनाना बता रही हूँ. क्लियर. और इस पे हम एक कोट नहीं लगाएंगे, हम 2 कोट लगाएंगे टिश्यू पेपर्स की. बहुत इजी है. आप टिश्यू पेपर को कट कर लीजिए छोटे छोटे पीसेस में, और फेविकॉल और वाटर का मिक्सचर. देखो थिकनेस कितनी होनी चाहिए फेविकॉल और वाटर की, है ना. पानी भी है और इसमें फेविकॉल भी है. और ज़्यादा अगर आप फेविकॉल से टैप करोगे तो टिश्यू पेपर फट सकता है. तो हल्के हाथ से टैप करेंगे, रगड़ोगे नहीं उसे टिश्यू पेपर को. अगर आप टिश्यू पेपर को रब करोगे तो वो टिश्यू पेपर फट जाएगा. आपको ऐसे टैप करना है और इसे कवर कर लेना. इवन आपकी प्लास्टिक की ट्रे या कुछ भी आपको कलरफुल डेकोरेट करना है, प्लास्टिक पे सीधे एक्रेलिक कलर नहीं हो पाता. यू हैव टू गिव 1 कोट ऑफ टिश्यू पेपर्स. This is for the craft activity. We can make a painting after it will get dry. Okay, students? We will convert it into a painting after it get dry up. There are so many techniques of creating the background, but this is the simplest way, because tissue paper is available at every house. In every kitchen, you will get the tissue papers very easily. In place of tissue paper, don't use newspaper, please, because the printed or colorful thing will spoil your background. It is, if it is white, then it will create like this. The background is coming out like this. The texture is coming like this. Okay, students? Hope you understand and enjoyed how to create the background. In next session, I will teach you how to color this background. Okay, bye.